Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our breakdown of the brand new for fall 2011 REV'IT cold weather base layers. For the men, you have the Glacier. For the women, you have the Trinity. Now, I'm not doing any justice with them laid out on the table. I want to show some cutaways of some different areas of the body and how they're filled out, but really I want to talk about the technology. Really, what these are thermal compression base layers meant to go directly at your skin, or against your skin, and they're built with a 3D mapping technology that they're using different seams, different types of cut in different areas, so it's going to fit your body perfectly and ergonomically. The goal of any kind of base layer is to keep you acclimatized and regulated so that you can stay focused and be a better, more proficient, and safer rider. So if we look at this, think about it. Under Armour started this craze probably 15 years ago. Every major mountaineering manufacturer has taken their crack at compression suits, from the big guys to the small size. The difference here is this is motorcycle specific. So what does that mean? If I was wearing just a ski jacket, it would be like, okay, I'd wear my compression suit underneath. It could be a more even material in the way that it's laid out. By having a motorcycle a piece of apparel on, what I have is I have shoulder armor, I have elbow armor, I have knee armor, I have hip armor. So whenever I put that hard piece of armor against that's going to press down the body, having any type of difference here, using this ribbed or round knit construction, what I do is I create a slight air gap that's going to allow this to breathe a little bit better. So it's wicking moisture away from your body, wicking sweat. For the wintertime, this is keeping you cool but warm, or I'm sorry, keeping you dry but warm, because if you're wet while your body's trying to stay warm, what happens is you get clammy, and that's a very uncomfortable feeling. So if we look at the shoulder, round knit, 3D mapped. Look at where the elbow would go. It's round knit, it's 3D mapped, again creating that air gap. If we bring it back to the chest, now this is the men's Glacier that I'm holding up, you can see, and it's going to be tough because these are dark, but I'm going to show you here when we do the cutaway, that we have different materials and different cuts that are going to be engineered in specific ways to combat sweat where it would pool and where your body would need that regulation the most. Underneath the arms, it's a different perforation scheme. It's meant to flow air. If we turn it around and look at the back, again, a different cut or a different 3D pattern to try to combat some of the oppressive nature of a back pad and how that's going to hurt the regulation of airflow and your body temperature on your back. The really cool part, so the men's is the Glacier. It's a crew neck. It's got a full pant. You can see that, again, it's in the backside, in the crotch, in the knee areas, again, to be mapped to work with motorcycle-specific technical apparel. I actually really like the Trinity, which is the ladies. It's actually a mock turtle with a really nice design. Remember, this is polyamide. It's a microfiber style polyester that's built to be resilient. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial. You can wash it, just hang dry it. Don't use fabric softener on it. It's a durable stretch material. But if you look at the women, most women are going to ride with a bra, or in a more technical scenario, a sports bra. Look at where women are going to have the most issue with potentially pooling sweat, or where they're going to need to breathe. Underneath that bra region, right around the sternum, in the middle. So you have a different perforation scheme here as well, and then a similar perforation scheme on the back, albeit built for the flare of a woman's hips, and more of that hourglass shape in both the pant as well as the Trinity. If you have any questions about how the REV'IT thermal base layers stack up versus last year's model, versus any of the other thermal base layers in our lineup, remember, the men's the Glacier, the women's the Trinity. Shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. As always, any of these items that are over $39, which is actually all of them, will ship free. You can exchange them for free. If you just don't like it, make sure you don't sweat in it. It's a base layer. It has to come back in brand new condition, but we'll happily give you a zero restock fee. We'll give you 100% back to your card if you just don't like it, and return it with all the tags in brand new condition. You can find the new base layers at RevZilla.com/Rev'IT. Thanks for using RevZilla TV to help you watch, decide, and ride. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.